Alright, just got home from Costco and got a slice of pizza here. So we're going to do a quick review of the Costco pizza. And here is the slice. It's pretty good, it's pretty thick. The whole pie, the entire pizza is $10. So $9.95, so a great value in today's prices and time. So here's the slice from all angles. It's very cheesy, it's thick. This is not a crispy pizza. Here's the bottom, it looks great. Here's the bottom. And the crust. It's pretty soft, it's nice and chewy. This is kind of more of a chewy pizza than crispy pizza. Here's from the side, it's pretty thick. It's very cheesy. And it's from the side again. Alright, let's take a bite of this pizza. It's cheesy. It's a big slice. For $1.50, it's a great deal. Top, bottom, from the side. If you're into like Neapolitan style pizza, you're not gonna like this. If you're into like locali, una pizza napolitana, probably not gonna like this. If you're an average pizza guy, you're gonna love this pizza. It's cheesy, it's melty. It's jelly. It's everything that American pizza should be. The price is right. $10. You can feed the entire family. They don't really have prices like that anymore. Even in Domino's, Pizza Hut, you're paying $14-15 after taxes for sure. For a pizza that's smaller than this, not loaded with cheese like this. For Costco pizza, value 5 out of 5. As far as pizza goes, 3.75 out of 5. Nothing wrong with it. Edible, affordable, family pizza. I stop by and grab a slice on the way out every time. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.